I wanted to show this before I washed it, so we can see what it looks like before and after. So this came out of my field where I find artifacts. I haven't examined it all over real well yet, but you can tell. Let's see. Right here, it looks and feels like somebody was using it for something. And a lot of times you'll find rocks with a pit on both sides. You have it here also, that pitted look. You can feel where it's been pecked. It feels like it's been pecked. This looks like, no, this looks like it's been pecked, but I don't know, that feels smooth. That might be some pecking. That's definitely has some scarring on it. And we don't know, I don't know that anybody really knows for sure why they peck, see that there, why they peck both sides. Was it to hold a rock like that and use as a hammerstone? Or was it that they just used both sides doing for the same use? So this is the before. I'm going to go wash it and do an after, okay? Come back for the other video.